my gosh. Hello. It is me, Whisper, the dumbass of YouTube. I really shouldn't have said the dumbass of YouTube. I probably shouldn't have cursed. But, oh well, I'm not a kid-friendly channel. Okay, I am, on occasion. Most days I am. No, why? This girl's too sweet for this world. So, okay, so this is what she wanted. Don't mind me. She wanted teethy, okay? And I was like, oh, okay, I don't really like that red. Like, I wear it on occasions, but, like, my favorite one's the one with the, that's more red. That's called teeth. And, like, I can't comprehend, because she got on her back up, and I can't comprehend why she traded me. Ooh, my voice. So many trident packs. I can't. She's too sweet. I can't comprehend why she's so sweet. And like, okay, like, well, look at her status. Load. I am not a goddess. This human is too sweet for this world. I just want to, like, put a bubble around her. I just want to put a bubble around her so nothing happens to her innocence. She's too sweet. I cannot comprehend. No! Human, we need to have a talk. I can't with this girl right now. Oh, she's just a sweetheart. She's gotta be like 9. If I'm wrong, I feel so bad. But the only people I know that are that sweet are just like 9-year-olds that aren't devils. So this is her main account. You should go add her. She's in one of my art books. If you cannot find her, she's really cool. And then this is her her diamond pack account, or her rare account, I believe. That's what she said it was. And you should add her too, because she's a really sweet person. She is too sweet for this world. I was not planning on recording today. I was planning on enjoying my day off and playing on my computer. And then this sweet thing was just like, hi, hello, I'm here. Okay, I need to stop typing and not speaking. Like, okay, so I believe she waited 2 months because, like, I was not on a lot. And all of a sudden, I get on and, like, it says a month ago, this person wants to trade with you. It was a message. She wanted to trade me for TP, and I was like, oh yeah, sure. I don't know what blossom hair is. She's just too sweet for this world. Like, she waited so long to get that rare. And she didn't move, and like, she just waited so long, and I feel so bad. Aww. Here's the art book I made. I'm sorry if anything weird pops up here. It's not me. This is the beautiful art book I made for her. There are both of her accounts right there, all decked out in their beautiful rares. I believe I have that hair too now. That was one of the ones she traded me, I believe. I remember seeing, get out of my face messages. I'm kidding. Oh, okay, MSP does not want to load for me right now. Yes, you are. Why is that one so new? What sorcery is this? I don't know if it's glitched, but I don't really care. She's just too sweet. What are you? You're pretty. Oh, why did these show up so in my recents? What else did she give me? I don't even remember what the other thing she gave me was. It was a hair. That's what it was. She almost gave me plastic dress, and I was like, oh, really? Yeah, here it is. I wanted that hair for so long, and now I have it. Like, I have to update my rare art book. all I did was give her Tiki, and because I felt so bad, I was like, she wants junk, but no. I don't even know who that is. I was like, no. So, like, that I didn't really wear, and I thought she'd wear it because, it's cute. But I gave her 2 Christmas rares, and I was like, I didn't know what to get her. I feel so bad because I could have done so much more. She's just too sweet for this world. Like, add her. Find her somehow. Give her autos. Appreciate her. She is a good human, and good humans deserve good things. This replay is signing out because I don't have an outro.